This video shows you how to use the head secretions feature of METIman pre-hospital. Here's what you'll need: the 60 milliliter syringe with lure lock extension set from METIman's inventory kit, distilled water, some towels, an IV bag with tubing set for continuous flow, and a bucket for wastewater. Fill an IV bag with clear distilled water or with distilled water mixed with food coloring. Hang the IV bag on the IV pole near the simulator. The head secretion systems are filled through ports in the left shoulder of METIman pre-hospital. There are 3 ports, one for nose secretions, one for mouth secretions, one for eye secretions. You can fill a single secretion system or 2 at a time, or all 3 at once. For this demonstration, we're going to fill only the eye secretions. Remove the cap from the eye's secretion port and set it aside. Connect the IV tubing to the eyes port. Open the roller clamp to let fluid flow into the simulator. Keep the IV bag attached to the simulator for the duration of the simulation. You can adjust the flow rate for the secretions by adjusting the IV roller clamp. When the simulation has ended, disconnect the IV tubing from the port and then drain and flush the secretion systems you used. If you used more than one secretion system, make sure to flush them all. Since we used only the eye's secretion system, that's the one we'll flush now. Follow the same steps to flush each of the systems you used. Connect the lure lock extension set to the eyes port, then connect an empty 60 milliliter syringe to the other end of the extension set and aspirate fluid through the port until the system is empty. If you used colored distilled water to simulate any head secretions, you'll need to flush the head secretions reservoir by filling the 60 milliliter syringe with clear distilled water. Connect the syringe to the lure lock extension set. Slowly inject all 60 milliliters of distilled water into the port. Without disconnecting the syringe, aspirate fluid through the port again until the reservoir is empty. Inject and aspirate clear distilled water until the aspirated fluid is clear. Disconnect the syringe from the extension set and empty it. Disconnect the extension set from the port. Finally, put the cap back on the port. This video showed you how to use the head secretions feature of METIman pre-hospital. If you need more information, please consult the METIman user guide or call CAE Healthcare customer service at 1-866-462-7920 or at one of our international numbers if appropriate. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more, visit our website at www.caehealthcare.com.